Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best precision screwdriver sets on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Joris 38 PCS Small Precision Screwdriver Set. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Joris 38 PCS Small Precision Screwdriver Set is a versatile toolkit designed for delicate tasks like repairing electronics, glasses, watches, and more. It includes 38 pieces, featuring a range of screwdriver bits such as Phillips, Torx, and flatheads, making it suitable for a variety of devices. The set also includes a flexible shaft, allowing access to hard-to-reach screws. Its compact and portable case makes it easy to carry and store. The high-quality material ensures durability, and the non-slip handle offers comfortable, precise control during use. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 2 is the ORIA Precision Screwdriver Kit. The ORIA Precision Screwdriver Kit is a 60-in-1 tool set ideal for repairing electronics, smartphones, laptops, and other devices. It includes 56 different bits, made from durable, high-quality steel, and a flexible extension shaft for hard-to-reach places. The non-slip handle ensures comfortable use, and its compact case keeps everything organized and portable. Perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. And to finish, the first position goes to the XOL 200-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. The XOL 200-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit is a versatile and comprehensive toolset, perfect for electronics repair, including smartphones, laptops, game consoles, and more. With 200 pieces, it offers a wide selection of high-quality bits made from durable steel, ensuring longevity. The set includes a flexible shaft for working in tight or hard-to-reach spaces, as well as a magnetic driver that helps prevent the loss of screws during repairs. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures precise control and comfort during extended use. Everything is neatly organized in a portable case, making it convenient for both professionals and DIY users. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 precision screwdriver sets that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.